Today's top Pakistan current affairs, the 6th of July 2021, with download link available in PDF. These are the latest breaking news about Pakistan which will be helpful for aspirants in test preparation of current affairs, Pakistan affairs, general knowledge for NTS, PPSC, CSS, and other gov jobs, exams and MDCAT, ECAT entry test preparation. Let's get started. 1. COVID-19. Pakistan reported 830 cases and 25 deaths in 24 hours. Pakistan also conducted 37,364 tests in the span of 24 hours. 2. Karachi starts administering the Moderna vaccine. Karachi has the highest coronavirus positivity rate of over 11% despite vaccinating thousands of people. 3. NCOC confirms the presence of different variants in Pakistan. As many as 2 million more doses of Sinovac vaccine reached Pakistan from China on Tuesday. On the other hand, the National Command and Operation Center, NCOC, confirmed the presence of different variants of coronavirus, including the Delta, Indian, Beta, South African, and Alpha, UK, variants, in Pakistan. 4. SBP sets construction loan targets for banks. The State Bank of Pakistan has set a target for all commercial banks to meet in terms of providing loans to people for the construction of homes. 5. Here's how Pentagon move helps Jeff Bezos hit wealth record of $211 billion. Jeff Bezos, simply the richest person on Earth, is now being dubbed as the wealthiest person in modern history as his fortune on Tuesday witnessed $8.4 billion growth to reach $211 billion, shows the Bloomberg Billionaires Index. 6. Pakistan not to take sides in the Afghan conflict. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi on Wednesday reiterated that Pakistan would not side with any parties in the Afghan conflict and would stand alongside the decision taken by the people of the country. 7. Pakistan's power production hits record high at 24,284 megawatts. Energy Minister Hamad Azhar has said that Pakistan recorded the highest generation of electricity in the country's history at 24,284 megawatts. 8. Indian Air Force battles it out with the Army as defense chief struggles to have a unified command against China. Pakistan, it seems India's Chief of Defense Staff, CDs, is facing an uphill task in trying to convince the three services, the Indian Army, Navy, and Air Force, of the importance of having theater commands. 7. 9. Latest gold rate in Pakistan today, 7 July 2021, is Rs. 92,770 per 10 grams, and the rate of gold is Rs. 108,498 per tola, 24K gold, in Pakistan today. Hope you like this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.